First step, let's write this in slope-intercept form. Second step, let's get a rough sketch of this line. So approximately like that, the vertical intercept of 2 and a slope of 5 over 2, negative 5 over 2, negative 5 over 2. All right, next step, plot the point A. All right, now to find the distance from point A to this line, we need to find the length of this segment, which is perpendicular to the blue line. To do that, we're going to need the equation of this green line that goes like that. Since it's perpendicular, its slope will be the opposite reciprocal of this line's slope, which is negative 5/2. So the opposite reciprocal is positive 2/5. And then to find the vertical intercept, we'll use the fact that this green line goes through point A, which is at 15, negative 21. Those are x and y values, which we can substitute in for x and y. And negative 2/5 times 15 is 6. So b is negative 27. And now we have the equation of the green line. All right, so the equation of the blue line was given. We put it in this slope-intercept form. We found the equation of the green line, which was perpendicular, giving us the perpendicular slope going through point A, so we could find the b value. And now that we have the equation of both lines, we need to find where they cross. Where does the blue line cross the green line? That will be where there's an x and y value that makes both equations true. That is, we need the solution to the system. So since both left sides are y, the right sides must be equal to each other by the transitive property or substitution. I'm going to get rid of the denominators by multiplying by the least common multiple on both sides. That would be times 10. Distributing, we get negative 25x plus 20. And on the right side, we get 4x minus 270. Let's subtract 4x from both sides. Then let's subtract 20 from both sides. And then finally, we'll divide both sides by negative 29. And x is equal to 10, which seems to be right in the ballpark. To find y, we'll substitute x equals 10 into either of these equations. If y is 2/5 of 10, that's 4. 4 minus 27 is negative 23. So the y value is negative 23. And again, that seems to be very consistent with this graph over here. 10 to the right, 23 down. All right, well, now that we know that point's coordinates and we know A's coordinates, the distance from A to 10, negative 23 is the distance from A to the blue line, because that's the shortest distance, because it's the perpendicular distance. So now we just apply the distance formula with these coordinates and we'll have our answer. So the y value is negative 23 and negative 21, so subtract the y values. The x values are 10 and 15, so we'll subtract the x values. Negative 5 squared and negative 2 squared. So that's 25 and 4, which is 29, and the square root of 29 is our final answer. The distance from that point to the line is the square root of 29, which is approximately 5.4.